Meaning of derringer.
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 Derringer. A derringer is a type of small, single-shot pistol. It is often made with a short barrel and designed for concealed carry. The term derringer is derived from the last name of its creator, Henry Derringer. These weapons were popular in the 19th century and were used for self-defense or as backup weapons by law enforcement officers. Derringers typically fire a low-powered cartridge and have a range of only a few feet. They are considered collectible items today and are often featured in Western movies and TV shows.